So this is how you set up the ICP computer. So first thing first, you click New Patient, and the most important thing is that you save the file. So when you open it, press, let's maximise the whole thing, press File, Save As, and in this case, I'm going to save it, so it's confidential as example 2, but normally you'd save it under their name, the date, and their MRN number. And make sure it's saved in the right month. Okay, so that's now saved. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press Start here. What we need to do is we need to zero the ICP box to the computer. So you need a trace to be able to see the zero. So I've made the trace start, okay, and you can see that trace is running along near 0. Then we turn on the ICP Cogman box. This is the one that's attached to the ICP computer, so don't use the one that comes to the patient, use the one that's attached to the box. In a second, it should start to show a trace again. Okay, so you can see if we look at the monitor, it says proceed to 0 patient monitor. Press menu when monitor displays 0. Okay, currently it is displaying 0, so I'm going to press menu. Okay, then it will ask you, press 20 for patient monitor calibration signal. Okay, so when I press 20 on here in a second, I expect to see this line jump up from 0 to 20 if it's properly calibrated. And as you can see, it's jumped from 0 to 20, so it's properly calibrated. So then on here, verify patient monitor displays 20, and press menu when it does. Okay, it does show 20, so I'm going to press menu. And now it's dropped back down to 0 again. So all of that's already set up. Okay, you can press stop on here temporarily. Now we need to, I'm going to take the patient transducer cable from the patient. Actually, we can leave that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the ICP monitor from here into that. Okay. So now you'll see transducer detected appears on the monitor, and in a second it should say transducer detected, 0 reference. Okay, I know in this case the reference is 497, not 533. This is very important. There's a reference number on the computer clip and recorded from the time of insertion on the ICP transducer wire. So I need to make sure it's the correct that reference number is entered now. So adjust reference. You can normally find it in the operation notes or written on the transducer cable. So I'm going to move that down to 497. Okay, 497, press menu, and you can see we've got an ICP number there, and if I press start here, I should now see a trace, and I can see a trace. What I'm going to do is leave that as it currently is. You can see it's recording, so I'll press save, and then we can just leave that plugged in overnight.